Hi, boys and girls. I am going to continue reading our story to you today from Let's Visit the Moon. Today, we are going to read about scientists, and we're going to read about some of the tools that these scientists use when looking at the moon. So again, take a look at the words. Try to follow along with your finger. If you can, read with me. If not, just listen and follow along. Over 400 years ago, a scientist named Galileo looked at the moon through a telescope. Do you know what a telescope is? The telescope made the moon look closer. It helped him see objects that people never saw before. Scientists discussed new ideas about the moon. And here is a picture of Galileo. And here is a picture of the telescope, his telescope. Galileo thought the moon looked a great deal like Earth. Both have tall mountains. Both have deep valleys. He also saw a big, flat spots. He thought the spots were oceans. Take a look at that picture. Do you think it looks like Earth? Many years later, stronger telescopes were built. The scientists could see more. They found that Galileo's oceans were dry. The dry oceans were really deep holes or craters. Long ago, rocks flying through space hit the moon and made these craters. Flying space rocks are called meteors. They are called meteorites when they hit Earth. They come in all sizes and shapes. They travel very fast. They often hit the moon because the moon has no air to stop them or slow them down. Only a few meteorites ever hit Earth. They almost always burn up in our air before landing. And here is a picture of a meteorite. When it rains on Earth, craters fill with water, rocks, and dirt. But it never rains on the moon. The moon has no rivers or oceans. Plants and animals cannot live on the moon. The moon has no wind to blow the soil. The craters never fill in. Many moon craters are millions of years old. Some craters are miles wide. Others are only 1 foot wide. Take a look at a picture here of the moon. What does it look like to you? How would you describe it? So in today's reading, I want you to think of a couple questions. Can you tell me what tool do scientists use to look at the moon? And what does this tool help them see?